Today, we're cleaning those stubborn window blinds. Windows let hot and cold air move through them, so dust likes to stick to the blinds. That's why your blinds get so dirty and dusty really fast. One option is using a vacuum cleaner over the blinds with a brush attachment. If you don't have a handheld vacuum cleaner, you can always use your home vacuum cleaner with the brush attachment. First, close the blinds all the way so you can clean one side at a time. Then use the vacuum cleaner with the brush attachment and slowly go side to side across each slat to pick up all the dust. Once one side is clean, you can flip the blinds the other direction and repeat on the back. And while you have your vacuum handy, go ahead and do the window seal as well, because that is definitely another dust magnet. And of course, don't forget to get the bottom of your blinds as well. Next, take a soft paintbrush and run it in between each blind slat to loosen up the dust the vacuum missed. The bristles are great for getting into those tight little corners and edges. Just work from the top to the bottom so dust falls down instead of back onto the clean blinds. If you don't have a vacuum cleaner or a paintbrush, a microfiber cloth works great too. Just close the blinds and wipe side to side across each slat to grab the dust and dirt. Then flip the blinds the other way and clean the other side. Now, one thing that I have noticed, especially with my blinds, is that my blinds are made of wood. Sometimes the microfiber cloths like to grab onto that wood and it makes it a little bit difficult, but I did find it better if I went from top to bottom. And I'll actually link my favorite microfiber cloths down below. And of course, don't forget to get that window seal as well. Those are 3 easy ways to clean dusty blinds using things you probably already have at home. Honestly, even just a quick cleaning makes a huge difference and instantly freshens up the whole room. If this video helped you, make sure to like, follow, and stick around for more simple cleaning tips and home hacks.